Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn on or turn off email notifications for your meetings on Doodle in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you'd like to get notified of your meetings, for example, when someone accepted it or canceled it, for example, this is how you can do it. Navigate to your Doodle account, then click into your profile icon in the top right and choose account settings here, right? So what you want to do after that is navigate to this list here with notifications at the bottom, and you can enable email notifications, for example, for your organized meetings, for example, you create yourself, or maybe those you participate in. So for example, if the meeting organizer cancels the meeting for the sake of this tutorial, let's say, for instance, you would get then notified by email. So make sure that you switch it on here or off, depending on your decision. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.